The best way to describe it, I would say it's the combination of the cutting-edge science of functional medicine, regenerative medicine, all of it in a place that is a high-end destination, all put together. And you leave not only change, but you leave with a lot of things that you can now implement in your life to just increase your overall quality of life, your overall performance. It's really something to be experienced. Everything that is available in regenerative medicine, and you can pick various modalities for your health. If you're facing some challenges or you know that your health could be better, you don't know where to start, the medical personnel here can start to propose different series of treatments to basically improve your overall health. So you go through your comprehensive test, and what can be proposed to you could be stem cell treatment. So according to your overall analysis, there's a specific diet that is designed just for you to support all the transformation. I found this absolutely phenomenal. You go to optimize your health and basically put you on a path for longevity. So it's really the focus of what is being done at SHA. So it's basically evaluate where your health is today, determine the strategies that you can apply to basically maximize your quality of life, your health span, and your longevity.